Hello. Now let me introduce Lonbest LCD Writing Blackboard and Lanbeisite Educational Equipment Group. Our company name is Shandong Lanbeisite Educational Equipment Group. Today, my presentation has 4 parts. The first part is company profile. Second part is key technology. The third part is product introduction. Fourth, application cases. The company profile. Lanbeisite Educational Equipment Group is a high-tech enterprise engaging in research and development, production, and marketing of eco-friendly writing board in China. Lanbeisite is listed on the NEEQ stock market. NEQ is the short name of National Equities Exchange and Quotations, with stock code 832730 in 2015. Lanbeisite Educational Equipment Group. Why we can trust Lanbeisite Educational Equipment Group? Lanbeisite passed ISO CE certificate for their writing boards. Lanbeisite Educational Equipment Group has its own knowledge property. It is one of the only 3 companies who have AAA certificate of enterprises credit grade issued by China Educational Equipment Industry Association. It is the only 4 company who passed China Environment Labeling Product Type 2. 5. Lanbeisite is the only 6 company who are recommended by China Educational Equipment Industry Association. 6. Lanbeisite Group is the only 9 company who has high-tech enterprises certificate. 7. Lanbeisite Blackboard market share is 40% plus and ranks number 1 in the last 9 continuous years since now. We are the executive director of unit for China Educational Industry Association. Our company is provincial recognized enterprise high-tech R&D center. We are the national high-tech enterprises certificate. We are the postdoctoral station of innovation and practice. We are the provincial leading high-end equipment manufacturing enterprises. We have the certificate of Hidden Champions Enterprises for Blackboard and Whiteboard. We are Shandong Provincial Gazelle Corporation's certificate. The company profile. As a professional blackboard manufacturer, we have focused on making blackboard and whiteboard for 17 years. We have the largest share of China educational equipment market for more than 9 years in the past, has become the paragon of quality product in this industry. This is the supply chain about the China educational equipment association. We are chosen as top 10 brand of post-sale service enterprises in China educational equipment industry. We are also among top 10 brand of interactive display equipment. We are also the top 10 brand of smart blackboard in this industry. Lanbeisite successfully built and put LCD modules dust-free workshop. It is 100 class clean room into service. Lonbest electronic blackboard also launched to open a new era of dust-free writings. In 2015, Lanbeisite utilized the self-developed core technology, self-manufactured key components, and software. Those three core technology are all controllable. Lonbest has fully owned intellectual property rights of electronic Blackboard. We are not the copy brand as some others. In 2018, Lanbeisite invested around 200 million Chinese yuan to build a comprehensive industrial park in Jiyang district of Jinan City. The park covers an area of about 18 acres with a total construction area of about 6,700 square meters. The park consists of two workshops, a logistic terminal, an office building, and staff living quarters, etc. Strong production research and development, manufacturing capacity, and mature operation and maintenance network has laid a solid development foundation. Our development roadmap is here. Between 2005 to 2010, Lanbeisite designed fully automatic Blackboard laminating machine. From 2011 to 2013, we finished the layout of China domestic sales network and started the layout of overseas marketing network. Between 2014 and 2015, the company listed on NEEQ stock market, and we fueled the transition to electronic industry enterprises. 2016 to 2017, Lonbest LCD Blackboard opened the new era of eco-friendly writing. From 2018 to 2019, we finished the construction of Lanbeisite Industrial Park, and we recruit exclusive partner network layout throughout China. From 2020 to nowadays, Lanbeisite signed a partnership agreement with many world-famous brands for LCD Blackboard, such as Huawei, BOE, Hisense, etc. The company profile next is our domestic sales network. The company has around 400 staffs and 26 provincial operation centers in China. The Blackboard, Whiteboard, electronic Blackboard has been distributed in 338 cities. This is the layout of overseas marketing network. The main products are sold to many countries and regions such as European, North America, Japan, South Korea, and Middle East countries. Here is the key technology. Before the key technology, I also show you some certificate of Lanbeisite. This is the registration certificate. Our registered capital is more than 87 million Chinese yuan. This is our certificate of enterprises credit grade, 3A grade. Here is 2017, our Blackboard, Whiteboard, electronic Blackboard was rewarded as golden product. This is the ISO certificate, ISO quality, ISO environmental, ISO the health protection certificate. This is National High-Tech Enterprises. This is a recommended product by the China Educational Equipment Industry Association. This is the certificate executive director of China Educational Equipment Industry Association. This is the certificate of work safety standardization certificate. This is about the environmental. In China, we call it 10 circle. Here is the knowledge property. Here is about the enterprises credit certificate. This is a 5-star post-sale service industry. This is China Famous Brand certificate. This is deputy chairman unit certificate of Shandong Educational Equipment Industry Association. This is the China Educational Equipment Association certificate. Here is about the quality. The leading enterprises in the quality in China educational industry. Here is the CE certificate. Here is FCC. This means we passed. The product has passed rules testing report. Here is the USA patent approved. Here is Australian patent approved. Here is the 2018 golden product certificate issued by China Educational Equipment Association. Golden product. Here is the tender result notice. This is about the World Bank project in Guangdong province. Here is the third batch of the Blackboard tender. Shandong Lanbeisite educational equipment has been rewarded. Here is the CE certificate. Here is the National Center for Schooling Development Program certificate issued by this organization under Ministry of Education. This means Lanbeisite Educational Equipment Group. Their electronic blackboard is chosen as the great achievement for the future school plan and experimental plan. This certificate for any client who are interested in different models of electronic blackboard, they can ask for catalog from me. You see, we have LE65P, LE60P, B60P, partially reading, instruction manual, some specification comparison of different models. Now, let me come back to the key technology. The writing screen of LCD blackboard consists of 3 layers. The upper layer is PET, non-transparent film with ITO conductive layers on one side. The middle layer is a composite layer with liquid crystal, and the lower layer is PET, non-transparent black film with ITO conductive layer on one side, like a sandwich. The polymerizable monomers dissolved in the liquid crystal systems can be rapidly linked into polymer network, and the liquid crystal system can form multi-domain structure by the combined radiation of ultraviolet light and infrared light with a certain time and intensity. Here's liquid crystal polymer. These polymerizable monomers. The writing screen makes the liquid crystal form a plain texture through pressure touch to display the writings. After a retouch and turn into a pneumatic texture through voltage applied. Through voltage applied, then it will be from pneumatic texture turn into photocoinic texture to clear the writings on the screen. It is because of the voltage applied. This how do we understand it? It is means if there's no outside factor influence, there is no any writings displayed on the LCD film. But after touch, after pressure touch, the texture change, and the writings will be displayed on LCD film. But after the voltage applied, such like a touch erasing button, it will turn into photocoinic texture to clear the writings on the screen. The second key technology is partial erasing patent. Just now we said the one key erasing. Now is partial erasing patent. Here is the conductive area. Conductive area, it is a horizontal conductive area. Here is vertical conductive area. Here is the edged line. This is upper conductive layer, lower conductive layer, edged line, double layer overlap. Here is infrared circuit. Infrared circuit gives the pressure, gives the power to the double layer. Now let me explain. Etch several insulating etching line on the upper and lower layers of LCD writing film, and in this way divide up lower conductive layer into several staple-shaped conductive areas that are insulated from each other. Here, different parts. They are insulated from each other. Liquid crystal is filled in the middle of upper and lower films to form a sandwich structure of LCD writing film. The upper and lower layer is PET film. In the middle is spacer. Here is in spacer liquid crystal polymer. The power is applied to the upper and lower conductive layers at the same time, and the voltage difference is formed in the superimposed area, and partial erasing is realized by using the electrical characteristics of liquid crystal. The infrared precision technology is used to judge the partial erasing precision so as to realize the accurate partial erasing function. Here is the certificate of key technology, invention patent of LCD, invention patent of partial erasing, the worldwide patent. Here is 52 patent. And 23 approved. The patent applied in 23 countries. See Australia, Canada, United States, Japan, Korea, in European Patent Organization, Gulf Cooperation Council. The key technology. According to SGS report about Lonbest LCD Blackboard, its various indicators complied with the national standards such as hardness test, color, corrosion resistance, glossy, wipe ability, writing property, structure, formatted release limit, combined cycle test of texture and humidity. We also have the CE certificate and report, FCC certificate and report, BSMI certificate, KC certificate. Also the inspection and test report, which complies with rules, directives. The product introduction. Lonbest LCD Blackboard is the newest, high-tech, and eco-friendly writing board, specially designed for teaching and meeting purpose. It can completely restore the writing habits of the traditional blackboard and whiteboard, and it become a major breakthrough in environmental protection and energy saving and eyesight care with the attributes of digitization, networking, and intelligence. Lonbest LCD Blackboard can meet the current and future teaching needs and reflects the development direction of future education equipment. Here is e-writing blackboard. In the middle, interactive touch play. Here is e-writing blackboard. The product introduction. The product advantages are eco-friendly because non-consumables. Any object with moderate hardness can be used as writing tools. It is dustless, inkless, energy saving, no power consumption while writing, only weak current consumed while erasing. It can be used about 6 months after being fully charged. 6 months used 0.7 watt. Product introduction advantage. Healthy eyesight care. The handwriting is reflected by natural light. No electromagnetic radiation, no glare, no blue ray. Pure ecological display. It is long production. Neither dust nor narcotic ingredients harm the body of teachers and kids. Hand protection. Writing marks displayed by slightly touch. Long time writing will not harm shoulders and hands. Healthy. Product introduction advantage. Safety. Its electromagnetic radiation is 2,000 times lower than the national standard. Lonbest LCD Blackboard has been tested by the Physical and Chemical Research Center of Science and Environmental Analysis. Its magnetic induction intensity of electromagnetic radiation is about 0.03 to 0.05 UT, which is far below the limit of 100 UT in the national standard, and it is almost negligible. Product introduction advantage: easy to use. It has one key erasing button, so it is labor saving. It has a partial erasing feature, so it can correct errors conveniently. The plea for using any hard object with moderate hardness can be used as writing tools, even our fingernail. Elegant writings. You see here, this Chinese character Yun. Elegant writings. Pressure-sensitive technology restore the traditional writing tips. The product advantage: efficiently, cost-fair saving. The Blackboard writings in the classroom can be completely saved. The formed PDF document can be shared to students, parents, and teachers for reviewing the key points when the lesson is over. It is also convenient for schools to manage intellectual property. Synchronous transmission. The handwriting on LCD Blackboard can be transmitted to projection screen or large LED screen to solve the pain point of working in the lecture theater or super big classroom. The color of writing and the color of background is adjustable. Some clients may bought our old model B55 or the very old model LCD Blackboard with the outer cabinet frame. Right now, we don't use such complicated structure. The LE60P or LE65P, its wall mounting is much easier. It can be wall mounted separately from interactive flat panel. Height. The new model is equipped with a height adjustable pin tray. It can match most brand of interactive flat panel, easily wall mounted and more beautiful. It's because different brand interactive flat panel, its height is different. So that is why we equipped such height adjustable pin tray. LE60P, its height is adjustable height range is 1031 to 1085 millimeter. LE65P is 1161 to LE60 totally height is 1161 to 1215 millimeter. This is for 75 touchscreen panel. This is for 86 touchscreen panel. For the old model, it has a problem. The erasing is erased district by district. So there is 4 districts like this. The new model is erasing together, erasing one time, no district separation. This is the upgrade for our long-term partners. Maybe some client purchased our old model electronic Blackboard before. Also, we also have the depth adjustable accessory. It replaced the old L accessory. L accessory like the normal chalkboard, whiteboard. With these 3 accessories, the wall mounting depth is adjust. The depth adjust range is from 110 to 155 millimeter. This is some difference between the old model and new model. From writing size, processing tech, a board frame with or without outer cabinet frame, the board frame width, board frame with pantry or no pantry, 1K resin, pen holder, wall mounting solution, package solution, erasing buttons. The new model, the size increased. Compared with B60P, size increased 13%. 65P increased 28%. The new model, the new board, its frame is similar as interactive flat panel. It is high standard looking. The new model, it doesn't need the outer cabinet frame, so it is very easy to be maintained and wall mounted. The new model, its board frame is more narrow. The board frame, the new model has pantry if needed. The 1K reason, the old model 4 district erased one by one. There is some screen flicker. For the new model, no screen flicker. The all board surface erased one time. Pen holder. The new model has pen holder. Wall mounting solution. It has the height adjustable accessories. Wall mounting solution. The new model, it has accessories. It can match the Visa Momo stand, so it can be easily used in the commercial segment. The package solution, the old models accessories packed separately. The new model, all spares and the board put in one carton, so it is easy to be transported. The erasing buttons, the new model is more durable and higher engine looking. The comparison is the comparison between chalkboard, whiteboard, nano blackboard, and Lonbest LCD blackboard. From consumers, dust hazard, 1K erase, partial erase effect, transmission, crosswear saving, beautiful looking, long time watching. You see the nano blackboard because interactive flat panel inside, so when you watch long time, the eyes will be tired. The beautiful looking, the nano blackboard and Lonbest LCD blackboard, they are more beautiful looking. The crosswear saving, the Lonbest LCD blackboard can realize the crosswear saving. Transmission, the files can be synchronous transmitted to the interactive flat panel or laptop. The erase effect, nano blackboard, it, how to say, Lonbest LCD blackboard, it can erase by click one button. The erase, it means how to say it can be erased clearly. Nano blackboard, there's some sand inside the chalks, so it is very difficult to be cleaned nicely. 1K erase, only Lonbest LCD blackboard has 1K erase. Lonbest LCD blackboard, no any consumables, so no dust hazard, no the chemical pollution. This is the specification comparison of different models. If clients needed, we can share this information with you. This is the photo LE60P, LE65P. It is for matching the center interactive flat panel. B65P, B60P, it means business segment is 1 pieces per cutting, 1 pieces per cutting. The B60A, this is 1K reeds, 1 pieces per cutting. B40A, B18A, this is its writing size. This is its physical dimension. The minimum height we mounted, the maximum height, the minimum distance to wall, the max distance to the wall. It is the depth. This is for according to the depth of interactive flat panel. The battery choice. The B60A, it uses the AA battery, 3 pieces. The battery lasting, the interface, those partial reads. It has need the power adapter interface. It also has the DC power port and also the USB port Type A USB. Net width. It's net width. Here is because here is 2 pieces. Gross width. The package. Which type of color cutting or which type of corrugated box. The package size. The mounting solutions, such as, for example, mounting can combine with the interactive flat panel one mounted or put it on movable stand. Frame material, aluminum alloy frame. Erasing method, partial erasing, 1K resin or only 1K resin. Other feature, sink has the sink seal feature or only 1K resin. Finger dot drawing calligraph practice. The working temperature, storage temperature, film material, rated voltage, operating voltage, partial erasing, liquid crystal, reflectivity, film hardness like 3H, visual distance 30 meters, visual angle 140 degree plus, thickness of handwriting from 1 millimeter to 5 millimeter, colors of writing green, reflecting wave band from 500 to 700 millimeter, service life more than 5 years. The reference price smaller than 50 sets. B60 LE65P around 1,200, 11,000 US dollars. B65P $600, 60P 550 US dollars. B60A 169 US dollars. B60A B40 $99 US dollars. B18A is 39 US dollars. Those are reference price. Those are application cases. Okay. Thanks for your watching. For more details, I will arrange more details and share with you. Thanks for your watching.